Hey everyone, welcome back to another error video. If you are facing Marvel Rivals error code 220, don't worry about it. In this video, I will show you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my steps. First, when you are facing this problem, go to the search button and search here control panel. Then go to the network and sharing center and click on the change adapter setting. Now right click on the Wi-Fi or you have connected that the internet. Right click on it and go to the properties, then select internet protocol version 4 and go to the properties and change here the DNS server. After change the DNS server, click on the OK and check the error. If it is persist, then again go to the search bar and search here firewall network protection. Click on it and click on the virus and threat protection. Now scroll down and go to the virus threat protection setting. Click on the manage setting and if enable real-time protection, then disable it. And after doing this step, check your problem. If it is persist, then try next. Next solution is check the graphic driver update. For doing this, go to the device manager and click on the display adapter. Right click on the graphic driver and update the driver. After updating the driver, check your problem. If it is persist, the next solution is check server status. By doing this, check the server status of Rivalry official Twitter handle or website. If found any issue on the server, then wait to fix this problem. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.